Alright, hello guys and gals. I want to do a quick review on this Ultra Air 3/8 inch 9.5 millimeter air hose from Walmart. This thing is, I honestly gotta say, it's pretty freaking amazing. It's very flexible. It's obviously, you can see it very well too. So, but it's quite dirty right now. But anyways, that don't matter. I really got to say that this thing is actually pretty amazing. It's and it even stays flexible in pretty cold conditions. It was probably below 30 degrees, and it was still pretty flexible. Because I was using it this winter. Over the winter a few times. I needed a new hose, so I got a new hose. I got this thing at Walmart. I really got to say, for what it is, there's not much you can say about it. It's a 25-foot air hose from Walmart. And it's pretty awesome. It gets cold and it stays pretty darn flexible, and it doesn't get stiff like a lot of the cheapies do. I don't remember what I paid for it. I can't tell you that right now because I don't remember. It was like $20-some. So anyways, it was pretty good. I got these True Connect from Walmart too. These are actually pretty awesome. They're aluminum. They actually work pretty well too. So anyways, all I can really say about it is it's a great air hose. I don't know what else to say about it. As far as any kind of real review goes, sadly enough, there isn't much to say about it. It's a good air hose, and it keeps its flexibility quite well whenever it's really cold. You get it at Walmart for a decent price, and you get your True Connects to go with it. They're easier to use is what it amounts to. They're easier for on and off. Let me grab something to connect real quick. I got something here somewhere. I thought I did. Yep, I do. Anyways, just something. These things are actually pretty awesome. You pop them on, pop them off. A lot of them, like the brass ones, they'll get stiff and they'll get hard to use, and you have to push them in and all this other crap to get them to work. But these, just pop it on, pop it right off. That's probably the easiest quick connects that I've ever dealt with, ever. Anyways, get it at Walmart. If you need an air hose, go get one at Walmart. A nice Ultra Air, neon green, safety yellow, whatever they're calling it nowadays, being they want to keep changing the colors and changing classifications of everything. Anyways, I really wanted to let you guys know about that air hose. I know you guys might have seen it in some of my other videos, like especially when I'm painting or whatever. But that's what it is. It's an Ultra Air 3/8 inch. And then my Quick Connects from Walmart. They're pretty amazing for the price. Anyways, that's it. That's all I got to say about my air hose and my Connects from Walmart. They're not a bad price. The thing is great in the winter. I mean, I don't know how cold it'll get before it stiffens up. But if you're out working in your garage and below freezing, then I don't know, you might need evaluated. But anyways, I know I come out here in the cold sometimes, but if it's too cold, no. But anyways, hey, thank you guys and gals for watching my video, and I appreciate it, and I hope you have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.